Hello there, these are the colors, the wonderful colors that we're using today. This is Americana Snow Titanium White. This is Premium Translucent White, Premium Cerulean Blue, Quinacridone Magenta Premium, Hansa Yellow Light Premium. And today we are going to use the mix of 2 parts of the GAC, which is very good for to reduce cracking. That's why you will see that it says low crazing, and we are going to use 2 parts of the Liquitex Pouring Medium, and we are going to use 1 part of the Easy Flow from Floetrol. It is called Easy Flow in the United States, but if you're in Europe, it is called Floetrol. In the United States, we have a different Floetrol, and that's not the one that we're using. We're using the Easy Flow from Floetrol. So I'm going to put the pouring mix in my paints slowly until I reach the consistency that I like, which is very fluid, but with somebody like it will be like melted ice cream or warm honey. You know that it's the right consistency because at the end you'll see it like it forms like a small mountain at the end. And I'm going today to use, instead of the Dimeticon, today we're not using Dimeticon. We're gonna go back to the Treadmill, and we're gonna use Treadmill today. So let's get started. So now all the mixes are in the consistency that I want. I want to add now some of the Treadmill, but I'm gonna base it on the amount of paint that I have, and I'm just gonna put 1 drop per ounce. So I'm gonna put 2 drops on all of these. I'm not gonna put any on the white. gonna touch one more time those edges. Make sure I put more silicone. Let's make sure I have all the edges clean. We will have had more consistent cells all over if we didn't have to add those edges, but it was a type of surface did not allow us to have those but I'm going to do the next one on a canvas to have that area of only white. And there's a section of no paint in there. Then we need to find some darker blue. And mash that. That's better. Okay, so clean your edges and come back for more. Show and tell. Look how beautiful. So colorful. Love these premium paints. They're so vibrant. Look. It is so beautiful. It's a basket. This is the lid of the basket. Look how pretty. Have not been varnished yet. Has so much cell action. It is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I hope you liked the video. Come back for more. I have some great organizational tips for you. First of all, I have these so that I can put my paint mixes in here and they don't tilt. So those are for the mixes. You also can put your mediums in there. I will put links for these products in the description for the video. And I will want to show you another one that I have filled. See what I put in there? The toilet paper tubes, and I have here the sticks and some tape and my 3 mediums. I have another one that I want to show you. This one has the different types of cups, and I have here the droppers, some straws, some of the wooden sticks, my silicones in here, some tape, a small cup, and my mixing cups and another medium. So if you don't have space in the other 4 medium, you can have more than one of these things so that you could organize. I have 3 of them, and I organize everything in my table. I hope this tip helps you. You can also put in one of these you can also put your torch, but I have it next to the table in another area. But in there you can also put your torch. These are great. I'm gonna put the link for you.